One of our customers put ChromaLight Green through some pretty wild tests, folding it, scraping it, soaking it, and it didn't even flinch. Their words, not ours. We tried everything we could think of and it wouldn't budge. We've seen the tests, and we've done even tougher ones. And we filmed it for you. Our test panel? Flexible PVC vinyl, just like what you'd find in a real studio. 1 coat of base coat, 2 coats of top coat, fully cured. Let's see what happens. Flex test. Rolled tight for 24 hours. Unrolled, smooth as new. No cracks, no peeling. That's serious flexibility for a water-based paint. Scratch test. We went at it with a screwdriver, then wiped it clean. Still solid, still flawless. The color didn't move. Water test. Fully submerged for 48 hours. When it came out, the surface looked the same. No bubbling, no peeling, no soft spots. Here's the thing, color does matter. The shade, the balance, the chroma, they define your key, but color alone won't save your shoot. If it cracks, peels, or fades, that perfect tone doesn't mean much. That's why ChromaLight is built for both, color precision and real-world strength. Because in a working studio, paint isn't just decoration, it's part of the performance. Some paints may look similar, but when the pressure's on, the difference is clear. True color, true strength, true original. That's ChromaLight Green, proven tough, studio-grade reliable. ChromaLight, made for professionals who need their paint to perform. Learn more at ChromaLight.tv.